Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Why your car is taking longer to stop. Brake issues explained. Is your car taking longer than normal to stop? This is more than just a minor inconvenience. It's a serious safety concern that demands immediate attention. When a vehicle doesn't stop as quickly as it should, it poses risks not only to you but also to everyone else on the road. From worn brake pads to issues with brake fluid, several factors could be at play here. In this video, we'll dive into common reasons why your car's braking performance might be lagging and what you can do to fix it. You'll learn how to diagnose the problem and understand when it's time to call in a professional. Let's ensure your car stops on a dime and keeps you safe. Common reasons for a car taking longer to stop. When your car's stopping distance is unexpectedly longer, several factors could be at play. Understanding the common reasons behind this issue can help you address it promptly, ensuring your safety on the road. Worn brake pads. Worn brake pads are a frequent culprit for extended stopping distances. These pads play a crucial role in generating friction necessary to stop your vehicle efficiently. When brake pads wear down over time, the ability to create sufficient friction diminishes, leading to a delay in stopping your car promptly. Regular inspection and timely replacement of worn brake pads are vital for maintaining optimal braking performance. Low brake fluid. Adequate brake fluid levels are essential for the proper functioning of your car's braking system. Brake fluid transmits the pressure applied to the brake pedal to the braking components, facilitating the stopping process. Insufficient brake fluid can result in decreased hydraulic pressure, leading to delays in stopping your vehicle. Checking and maintaining the proper brake fluid levels are essential aspects of routine vehicle maintenance to ensure optimal braking performance. Malfunctioning brake system components. Issues in critical brake system components such as calipers, rotors, or brake lines can significantly impact your car's stopping ability. Malfunctions in these components can lead to reduced braking efficiency, resulting in longer stopping distances. Regular inspection of the brake system and timely repair or replacement of malfunctioning components are imperative for safe driving conditions. Driving conditions. External factors like wet or slippery road conditions can also contribute to longer stopping distances. Reduced traction on wet surfaces hinders the tire's grip on the road, making it challenging for the vehicle to come to a quick stop. It is crucial to adjust your driving behavior and maintain a safe following distance in adverse weather conditions to allow for extended stopping distances. By being aware of these common reasons for a car taking longer to stop, you can take proactive measures to address potential issues and ensure your vehicle's braking system operates effectively. Regular maintenance, prompt repairs, and cautious driving practices are key to enhancing safety on the road. Signs that indicate a car is taking longer to stop. Have you noticed your car is taking longer than usual to come to a halt? Several signs could indicate underlying issues with your braking system that are worth investigating. Understanding these indicators can help you address potential problems before they escalate. Let's explore some common signs that suggest your car is taking longer to stop. Spongy brakes. If you press the brake pedal and it feels soft or spongy under your foot, there may be air in the brake lines. When air enters the brake system, it can lead to a loss of hydraulic pressure, causing the pedal to feel mushy. This condition reduces the effectiveness of the brakes, making it harder to stop your vehicle promptly. If you experience spongy brakes, it's crucial to have your brake system inspected and bled to remove any trapped air and restore optimal braking performance. Grinding noises. Grinding noises when you apply the brakes can be a red flag signaling worn brake pads. Over time, brake pads can wear down, exposing the metal components beneath them. This metal-on-metal contact produces a distinctive grinding sound that indicates your brake pads are in need of replacement. Ignoring this warning sign can not only lead to longer stopping distances but also cause damage to other brake components. If you hear grinding noises during braking, have your brake pads checked and replaced promptly to ensure your safety on the road. Longer braking distances. A noticeable increase in the distance it takes for your car to stop can indicate various brake system issues. Whether it's worn brake pads, a leak in the brake lines, or a failing brake caliper, any compromise in the braking system can result in extended stopping distances. If you find yourself needing more space to stop your vehicle or if you sense a delay in braking responsiveness, it's imperative to have your brakes inspected by a qualified technician. Addressing these issues promptly can prevent accidents and maintain your vehicle's braking efficiency. Being attentive to signs like spongy brakes, grinding noises, and longer braking distances can help you identify brake system problems early on. By addressing these issues proactively, you can ensure your car stops safely and efficiently when you need it to the most. If you encounter any of these warning signs, Don't hesitate to seek professional help to diagnose and resolve the underlying causes affecting your braking performance. Remember, your safety on the road starts with reliable brakes. Importance of timely brake system inspections. Regular brake system inspections play a crucial role in ensuring the safety and optimal performance of your vehicle. By proactively monitoring and maintaining your brakes, you can prevent accidents and maintain the efficiency and reliability of your brake system. Preventing accidents. Proactively scheduling brake inspections can help prevent potential accidents on the road. Imagine driving down a busy street when suddenly a pedestrian crosses the road unexpectedly. In such situations, having a well-maintained brake system can make all the difference between a near miss and a dangerous collision. By detecting and addressing any brake issues early on, you can significantly reduce the risk of accidents caused by brake failure. Ensuring brake system efficiency. Regular inspections are essential for maintaining the efficiency and reliability of your car's brake system. Over time, brake pads and other components wear down due to friction and heat generated during braking. By conducting timely inspections, mechanics can identify worn-out parts and replace them before they compromise the performance of the brakes. This proactive approach not only ensures your safety but also extends the lifespan of your brake system, saving you money in the long run. Scheduling regular brake system inspections is a small yet essential step in ensuring the safety and performance of your vehicle. By staying ahead of potential brake issues, you can drive with peace of mind knowing that your brakes are in top condition, ready to stop your car safely when needed. After delving into the various factors that can contribute to a car taking longer than normal to stop, it becomes evident that regular inspections and maintenance are crucial aspects of ensuring optimal braking performance. By staying proactive and vigilant in checking brake pads, brake fluid levels, and overall braking systems, drivers can prioritize safety and efficiency on the road. Remember, your vehicle's braking system is a pivotal component that should not be overlooked. Stay safe on the road. Ensuring your car's brakes are in top condition is not just about convenience but about safety. When you embark on a journey, a reliable braking system can be your greatest ally in navigating unexpected situations on the road. Keep this quest for safety at the forefront of your mind whenever you hit the road. Trust your senses. If you ever feel like your brakes are not as responsive as they should be, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Your safety is a game changer and should never be compromised. Listen to your gut feeling and address any concerns promptly to prevent potential hazards. Regular maintenance pays off. Just like a well-oiled machine, your car functions best when all its components are in sync. Regular brake checkups may seem like a minor detail, but they can be a game changer in prolonging the lifespan of your vehicle and maintaining its cutting-edge performance. Embrace the habit of consistent maintenance, and you'll see the benefits unravel over time. Remember, the road is full of uncertainties, but with a reliable braking system and regular inspections, you can navigate through challenges seamlessly. Prioritize safety, be proactive in maintenance, and leverage the knowledge shared here to ensure your driving experiences are always smooth and secure. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.